How to download and install IMO app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So IMO app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for IMO, and here you'll be able to see more international chat calls and chats. So in order to install, you have to simply tap on install option, and it will take a few minutes to install depending upon your internet connection. By installing the IMO, you'll be able to call and text your friends and family wherever they are. The main thing is you need to be connected to your internet. Then you will be able to call your friends and family worldwide. There is features like voice clubs, and you can support networks and many more. And the main feature of IMO is it uses less data, so it can be used at any part of the world. And after a few minutes you can see IMO has been installed on my device. So by following this simple step, you can download and install IMO app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.